This is Arabic Easy for All A1 Arabic courses. Lesson 24 A room service.
ادخل.
أنا خادمة الحجرات. أحضرت فطوركم كما طلبتم. بعض السندويشات والمشروبات الباردة.
هل أحضرت قهوة سيدتي؟
نعم.
لكن أين الكأس والصحن والشوكة والسكين؟
ادخل. هل أحضرت قهوة سيدتي؟
Did you get this part easily? It is time to learn them by heart. Just keep repeating them loudly that you hear yourself saying them correctly and discover the beauty of your sounds. Don't forget to repeat writing them as well, 10 times, 20 times, 100 times, why not? A PDF writing worksheet to help you exercise writing them is on the website link underneath this video.
In A1 Lesson 24, we learned about a room service. In Lesson 25, we will, inshallah, learn about utensils.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.